Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have a bunch of friend mail, and I'm going to start to open it. And I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for stopping by here. If you remember, thumbs up please, and subscribe if you aren't already. I do forget to ask that, y'all, so I'm just asking it when I remember. I have a bunch of cards, and I've cut them all open at the top. I have some packages too. We're going to see how far we get. This is from my dear friend Jean, and she has a channel, Jean Louise. Anybody that I mention with a channel, I will put below so you can go find them. And Jean does unboxings, and she does other things, and she is taking a little bit of a break right now. She is, who knows? She may come back, she says. So this is absolutely gorgeous. I saw the card, and then now I'm, like squirrel. I can't talk anymore about it. But I love Jane. She's one of my very dearest friends. And look at this gorgeous card, y'all. This is all three-dimensional. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. It says, Mary, you bring comfort and joy to every little part of life. Merry Christmas to someone I'm so grateful to know. Thank you for your friendship. I'm so blessed to know you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Love, Jean XO. Oh, thank you, Jean. I love you too. That is the most beautiful card. Thank you. Thank you for finding that. This is frameable, y'all. This is frameable. It's absolutely stunning. Thank you, Jean. Merry Christmas to you too. And I have two cards from, from Kim's Happy Place. I believe one is Christmas and one is birthday. And this has a cute snowman there, and there's a nice cat on the front. I don't want to show her address because we have each other's home addresses. So let me open this one. And it says, no matter where you are this time of year, look at that. This is Kim up in the snow. It snows up a lot up north. I hope you know you're always here. Oh, and that's sweet. Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. I am so glad to have you as my friend. Love you, Kim. I love you too, Kim. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Oh, y'all, these get me sort of teary. Okay, this is so pretty, but how am I going to show you? Because this is from Kim also, and she has these most gorgeous stickers on there, but I do, we have our home addresses on them. I want to show you these beautiful rose stickers. Look at how pretty they are. Beautiful. So let's see what's in here. Ooh. Okay, there is a card that's sealed in there. That's how cute. Some more of those beautiful flowers on there, and some hearts on the back. And there's a beautiful sheet mask in here. This is one of Kim's favorites, and I've had it before because she sent it to me before. Oh my goodness. Okay, this says, warning, don't lose this birthday card. It's one warning sign at the top. It says, Mary, it's your present. LOL, just kidding. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I love you, my friend. Love, Kim. And my birthday's coming up, y'all. So, and she drew some cute balloons in there. Thank you, Kim. And she sent me a gift card. Thank you, Kim. And she sent me this wonderful mask. I will do this in a future Mask Monday. It's really beautiful. We did this, I think we did this as a collab, didn't we, Kim, for maybe Valentine's Day? It's really a pretty mask. It's the Lace Mask Spa Life brand lace mask, and it's a beautiful black lace mask. It's just beautiful. So I will be doing that sometime soon on a Mask Monday. And then I got a package from, can you guess who that is? That is from Miss Pinky Jean. It says, you're Flamazing. It says, happy birthday to you on the front. Excuse me, I'm sorry, y'all. Miss Jean, Jean Louise and Kim are my dear friends, and they have channels, and go see them. I'm going to put everybody, even though Jean's taking a break, you can still go see her. She's got great videos. And, if she does come back, then all the better. You'll get to see her future stuff if you're subscribed to her. And Pinky Jean is just a wonderful lady. She does a lot of different things. She does some unboxing. She does a lot of fun stuff. She does some spiritual stuff. She has a kitten that's now a cat, and he is, he takes her through life. So, they do that to us. So she sent me a package. This is the inside here. And, excuse me. Oh, my sinuses. It's been raining here for for like weeks. Oh, you know, I always forget this about you, Jean. I always forget this about you. But she saved me with the tissue. There are these things in here. They're so cute too. They're balloons and they're cakes. I always forget what these things are called, y'all. I'm such a dummy about that. These cute little things, and usually they just fall all over me because I forget that Jean does that. Well, she sent me some little goodies from, oh, how sweet. This is Happy Birthday out of flamingos. Isn't that beautiful? And Jean made these cards, so pretty. And it says, hey Peep, have an absolutely amazing birthday. Just meet Jean. Mary, sure appreciate all you did starting up my channel again. Thank you. Jean, if y'all should know by now, but in case you don't, Jean had a terrible thing happen to her. It's been a little while now, Jean, hasn't it? I'm not sure how long ago it was, but she had a thriving channel. At least say happy birthday on them. And she had trouble. And if I can find that video, I will put it in the description along with Jean. So you can go, if you don't know her, if you've never seen her, you must go see her. And she had to restart her channel, y'all. And it's for a heartbreaking reason, really. So let's all support her. So, and a lot of us, you know, knew her and love her and you know, tried to help her out with that. So there is this nice Guerlain Paris. This is, it says La Crème on it. I'm excited to try that. You know, this is bougie. Bougie. Thank you, Jane. And there is is this, oh, I need one of these. I've been thinking, you know, I'm always last minute. Like I won't buy a new calendar till January because I forget. And I have like I need a little book kind. This says, the earth is full of goodness of the Lord. Psalm 33:5. Thank you, Gina, I need this. This is like a checkbook size. And you know, it's got the months in there and everything. Just what I need, Jean. Thank you so much. And she sent me some masks. This is, Vitamask 2-in-1. It's a ruby peel off mask to cleanse, and then an amethyst mud mask to relax. That sounds very nice. And Vitamask is the brand, and that's a really good brand. I like that brand. And then this one is a day eye mask with caffeine. Oh, with caffeine. And look at this, it fits, you know, like a masquerade kind of a mask on. So I'll be doing that in the future Mask Mondays as well. And she sent this beautiful pen. It says make things happen. And this cool sticker note set. So this is a kitty cat with some post-it notes, and then these tabs. I use these tabs all day long, y'all. So this is perfect for me. I love stationery. Thank you so much, Jean, for thinking of me. You did not have to do this. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. You're just too good to me. Too good to me. Too kind, y'all. Next up is a card from the Opinionated Horsewoman, which is Stephanie. And Stephanie has a channel, and Stephanie does a lot of great unboxings. And Stephanie knows a lot about skincare. And she knows a lot about, I don't know the proper terminology. You'll have to go over and see her, but like I would call it resurfacing. Because, you know, when we were younger, most of us, when we were younger, if you're young, you wouldn't know this, but there wasn't SPF when I was young. You just baked out in the sun. You put oil on yourself and baked out in the sun. And so Stephanie is doing, taking care of her skin to lessen sun damage. And it's very interesting. Her videos are very interesting about that. And she knows a lot about it. And you have to be careful with that stuff. So it's good to go to someone like her that knows a lot about it. If you are interested in that kind of a thing, it's wonderful. She knows a lot about it. She's the one to go see for that. So this is a really cute card. I love it. It says, all the seasons best. Isn't that cute? And it says, Merry Christmas, a wish for a happy holiday, for love and warmth and cheer, for joy this special season, and happiness all year. Stephanie. And look at all these cute stickers on there. Super cute. Thank you, Stephanie, for thinking of me. I appreciate that. Merry Christmas to you too. That is so nice. And like I said, anybody that has a channel, I'll put them in the description, because a lot of these ladies do. And this one is from Janelle Naylor. Now, Janelle, she may have stamped the card. She started a channel recently. She's doing really well. Oh, this is cool, y'all. All right, let me, this is from Hadley House. You know, I think, is that what they're called, Hadley House? I think I remember this from, it's in the Chicago area. Anyway, let me show you that this is from the Hadley Women's Board. This is a Braille holiday card. Janelle is blind, and she has her own channel, and she's so inspirational. I think for not just for blind people, but for anybody. She knows how to do a lot of things. She's learned it all, and she's trying to teach people about it. And she does unboxings, and she does Mask Mondays. And look at this beautiful card. And I can see the Braille. It says, Mary, wishing you peace, happiness, and the spirit of the season. Love, Janelle. And her channel name is Janelle Naylor Beauty in Blindness. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see, well, there's Braille. Now, I don't know how to read Braille. You know, at one time in my life, I was interested in, and sort of, you know, when I was young, I sort of tried to learn a little bit of it, but I never really did. So it would be nice to know. It's just something good to know. So this is, and then the picture itself has, it's raised from the snow. Isn't that cute, y'all? Thank you so much, Janelle. Merry Christmas to you too. And then I have a card from Miss Janet, and Janet is a subscriber. The next ladies are subscribers, so I won't be able to put them in the description, but y'all probably know them from hearing them, hearing their names. This says, spend a lazy day in bed, and there's a cat in a little bed and a stocking, and I don't want to show her address, so to show you some of those stickers. So cute, cute, cute. And the back says, lovely lazy days, Merry Christmas, oh holy night. So pretty. Okay, hang on, whoops. This card has something going on with it, so, oh, it's like a, oh, there's something in there, okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. This is XOXO Janet on the back, and this is a beautiful, it says, joy to the world. That's beautiful, Janet. Thank you. I think I can hang it back here somewhere. I'll try. You know, I'm limited, y'all. I apologize for that. This is a beautiful card. Oh, there is a string for it, too. And of course, Smudge is right here trying to take my string. No, don't take that. I've got to hang up that ornament. Look at that beautiful card. I love the little chickadees looking in the window. Okay, Smudge, hang on a minute. It says, this is such a blessed time of the year. I do count you as one of my great blessings. Thank you. I count all of y'all as my blessings as well. Thank you so very much for being my friend. The heavens proclaim the glory of God. Psalm 19:1. Wishing you the blessings of peace, love, and joy this Christmas. Love you. Love, Janet. Have just the best holiday season ever. Thank you so much, Janet. That's so beautiful. Here's the string that goes with this, and I'm going to have to hide this really fast because he is trying so hard to get that string. No, no, no. If you are participating in the Christmas treasure hunt, this is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. Okay, now when I'm see the light, it's only filled to about here, y'all, but this is sealed. I see a metal in there. It is sealed. I haven't used it, I promise. But this is really great stuff. It came in a box, but see how this came, I think, this way from either Ipsy or Boxy, and it's crushed. I will give you the box because there's directions and all on there. But Dr. Brandt Exfoliator, Cleanser, whatever you want to say, okay? And then let's keep going. I have a couple more. We have a card from Carrie Smith. She's a wonderful subscriber as well. And she's got some cute stickers on the back. And I don't want to show her address, so let me cover that up real quick. And there's these cute stickers on the front. Look at that cute little thing. Little polar bear puppy or something it looks like to me. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay. And like I said, I'll have everybody that I can put in the description. This is so pretty, Carrie. Look at that. It's a red cardinal at the bird feeder in the snow. And there's, you can't, I don't know if you can, yeah, maybe you can see it. Glistening. It's got all the glistening on it, so you can see the snow. To Mary, Smudge, and Blue, the best of wishes to you and yours for a wonderful holiday season. I hope that you have a wonderful, blessed Christmas. Love, Carrie Smith. Thank you so much, Carrie. That is so sweet. All right, Smudge, I've got my last one, y'all. And this one's a little puffy. And this is beautiful. All right, let me see. Oh, this is a homemade card. Okay, now this card, it does have a last name on it. And I only know one Patty with a that spells her name Pattie, and that is Triple Girl 2. Is that your name on Instagram? I'm sorry, on YouTube? I think this is Patty, the Patty that I know. It has to be because she sent me something, right? It's okay. But Patty is a triplet. So that's why her name is Triple Girl. And she's the second one born, I think. Right, Patty? Okay, anyway. This is a homemade gorgeous card. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. This is all, you know, layered. She's got layers and layers here. And this beautiful string with these cute little bells on it. And it says, Dear Mary, happy Merry Christmas to you, and may the year to come be full of blessings in Christ, Patty. Look at that. She sewed this on. Okay, Smudge, she sewed this on here. Patty, you are so crafty. That's beautiful. And then look at this gorgeous tape, that washi tape. Isn't it washi tape? That is so pretty. This is frameable. Again, beautiful card. And she made this beautiful, I hope that I can put these things back here. There's a bell. And then look at this, y'all. This is the song, Holy Night. They're words from this is music. What am I trying to say? Sheet music that she cut out. Redeeming Love is on one side, and Holy Night, Silent Night, Holy Night, I think is the one on this side. The first word is cut off, but it's all stitched. Patty, you did so much work. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you all so much for thinking of me, and Merry Christmas, everybody. And I am sending cards out very slowly. I got another batch out today, so that's good. So I will be, y'all be hearing from me soon, and Merry Christmas. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.